everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about Shein haul. I have ordered few dresses and some jewelry piece from Shein. This will also be a try on haul. Before jumping into the video, my name is Kajal and I create content around beauty and lifestyle. So if you're interested in such type of content, do hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video, you get notified. And let's move on to the video. Okay, let's start with all the jewelries which I got. So I have ordered few jewelry pieces. Let's check one by one. And jewelry pieces are non-returnable, so this cannot be returned. The first piece which I got is this handcuff. It is very simple yet stylish, and I really like very simple pieces, but that should look classy. This is how it looks. Let's move on to the next jewelry piece. This is a set of 3 neck pieces. The longer one has this heart pendant, and this is so cute. Either you can wear it as a stack or you can use this neck pieces individually. That's the plus point. It has one solid chain and it also has this cute chain with some detailing, and this is how it looks. This is the next jewelry which I got. This is a bracelet. It has 3 strings and this looks super cute. It's very minimalistic, it's very simple, but it looks good. The next chain which I got, it's a very thin chain with a small beads. It's a very good chain to stack it up. However, I didn't like the quality of this chain. The quality of rest of the jewelries are very good. Again, I have got one more bracelet in gold color. I have ordered all the jewelries in gold color, and this is how it looks. And it's very easy to wear. You just need to open this and put it in your hand, and there you go. This is a little bit loose. I like this. Next I have got is this ring stack. There are 7 rings and you can easily make a stack out of it, and you can play around and use it all at one time or one at one go, whichever way you like. But it's a very versatile thing and this really looks very good. I really like this product because you can stack them up as per your need. I've ordered one more chain, and this is a 2-layer chain with a cute pendant. This is one of my favorite. I really liked it and I'm surprised by the quality Shein has provided. I really like the shine. The quality is really very good. I'm not sure this is waterproof. This is the pendant and this looks so cute. And the last piece from jewelry section is these earring scarf. There are multiple earring scarf which I have bought. You don't need ears to be pierced to wear this. You can just easily put it and press it, and this is how you can wear it, and you can stack it as many as you want. I really like this. This is looking so cute. And that's everything which I got from the jewelry section. Now moving on to footwear. I just experimented ordering footwear. I didn't had any hope from the footwear. So these are the 2 footwear which I ordered. One is in white and the other is in black. The pattern is exactly the same, but let me show you. Can you see the difference in the front? This is square and this is round. I ordered both in round, but white I have received in square, and this does not look good at all. So this definitely I'm returning it. And this one is also okay. The quality is not that great. It's okay-ish quality. So we'll see if I will keep it or return it. Right now, I'm not sure. Okay, those were the only 2 footwear which I got. So now let's move on to all the dresses which I got. Let's move on to dresses. And for dresses, the first one I have this dress in white and pink color, and I have lot of expectations from this dress. So let's see. Let's try it and see how does this look. So this is the first dress which I got. It has a cute square neck. The back is also really very cute. And this is a midi dress. I really had very high hope from this dress, and this dress is actually looking cute. And this is a cotton dress. It's little see-through. It has this cute edge cut near the waist, and also the stitch is not proper because the middle portion is moving to one side, which I'm not liking at all. I really wanted to have this dress, but little disappointed this is going into a return bin. The next one which I got is a 2-piece set. It's a top and a skirt, and it's in burgundy color. So this is in a waistcoat style, and it also has this pleated long skirt. So let's quickly try it on. Wow. I mean, look at the color. The color is very rich. The fitting is also perfect. And this comes with a 2-piece, the top and the skirt. Right now, when you open Pinterest, you will see this style everywhere. This is how the dress looks. This can be easily styled for office wear and casual wear and this looks good. So I'm definitely keeping this one. Okay, so no more dresses. I've bought 4 different kind of skirt. Next is this beautiful white and black skirt. It has black polka dots and it's a short skirt. And look how cute this is. So let's quickly try this on. I really love the skirt. The skirt is looking so cute. And also it has a pocket which has a plus point. I like the overall fitting of the skirt and I really liked how it's looking on me. And in winters you can layer this with the stockings and wear it. It will look amazing. I'm definitely keeping this one. Next I bought these stockings and these are very useful in fall and winter time. And since fall is around, we will need that thin layer to protect ourselves. This is fleece, but it's not very heavily fleeced. It has light fleecing inside. I bought 2 stockings. Both are in black color, but one has the small polka dots and one is the plain one. These stockings are very stretchable, very lightweight. It's really very comfortable to wear. Next, I bought this black cute little skirt. Let's try the next skirt. The quality of the skirt is okayish. It is little see-through and also the fitting is little tight for me. So this is going into a return bin. Next I have this cute little check skirt. This is a woolen material. This can be definitely styled in winter. The material is very thick. So let's quickly try it on. This is how the skirt looks. I loved it. This is giving a super cool vibe. I really like that it also has built-in shorts inside the skirt, which is really very good. The color is also looking amazing. The material is also very good. So this one, I'm definitely keeping it. The next skirt which I got is this denim skirt. It has a slit in between, but the problem with the skirt is if you see the back is not flowing properly. It's a very weird structure which is forming in the back. So this is also going into a return bin. I really wanted to have a denim skirt, but I'm really very disappointed with this one as well. And the last thing which I got from Shein is this cute little top. This is in lavender color. I really like the color, but this needs to be steamed. But before that, let's quickly check it. How does this look? And this is how it's looking. This is adjustable. You can adjust the neck as per your size and can also adjust the waist. The material is also very good. This is a cotton fabric. The color is also very different. This top is okay. I'm not liking the sleeves a lot. Sleeves are very puffy. Not sure if I should keep this or return it and check it later on. And that's all about my Shein haul. That's all the things which I got from Shein. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment. And also in case you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do consider subscribing. Before subscribing, consider checking my other videos to see if you are really interested in these type of content. And if yes, then do subscribe and also click the bell notification. Until then, I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.